Welcome back to ET Now. You're watching Markets at Noon with me, Kanishka Sarkar and Srishti Sharma. Well, it's time now to get our next guest on board. Sneha Seth is joining us, who's a derivative analyst at Angel One. Very good to have you, Sneha. Very good afternoon. Let me first start by asking you, it's been we've been flat in trade today, holding near that 25,000 level. What are the levels that we are tracking at this point in time? Where could markets go from this point on?
So very good morning. In fact, good afternoon, sorry. If we look at the market, yes, we are seeing Nifty getting consolidated in a very narrow range. But looking at the highest open interest concentration on 25,000 mark, I believe we may soon see a momentum coming in. But yes, looking at the banking index, I think that is the space which should be in focus. The counter, if you see the banking index was facing a resistance around 55,500, which it has managed to surpass in today's session. So I believe it looks poised for an up move at least toward the record high. So one should be focusing on banking index and financial space for now. Nifty may consolidate, but yes, in case of any dips, I think it's a buy. The support at present for Nifty would be around 24,800, 24,900 would be the immediate support. In case of any follow-up buying above 25,200, 150, it would be interesting and we may see some buying interest coming in Nifty as well. Otherwise, the overall setup looks strong. Buy on dip should be the strategy for index.
All right, very good afternoon, Sneha. So quite a clear strategy coming in, buy on dips, and banking index is looking more cheerful as of now. But Neha, a lot of these other sectors, and especially from the like of auto sector, that is doing well. Any stock that stands out for you within the auto pack? And the key question is that do you believe that this move is sustainable over the next couple of trading days as well?
I think it is very much possible. If you look at the overall chart structure, I think Bank of Baroda, Bajaj Auto for that matter, Tata Motors, these are the counters which looks good at this point in time. And in case of someone who wants to go ahead and long in this space, I think these are the counters one should be focusing on. Maruti, after a long time, that is also showing some strength, and the overall development in the F&O space is also good, so that can be focused.
Okay, Sneha, let's I would like to understand what are your top picks at this point in time?
So from banking space, there are many counters which are showing good strength, especially in the PSU segment. I think UCO Bank, which has been consolidating since quite some time, I believe it's been 4 5 months, 4 5 weeks, I would say, that this counter has been, trading in a very narrow range. Looking at the overall volumes recently, I think this counter is poised for an up move now. So I would recommend buying this counter with a strict stop loss of 31.8 and upside potential would be 33.75. For a long-term perspective, also one can go ahead and look for buy in this counter. Eventually, I expect a target of 35 to 37 in this counter. Apart from this, I believe one more counter which looks good to me is you IGL, I would say. IGL again over here, we have seen this counter uh, giving a very strong up move in the last couple of weeks. Looking at the overall daily chart and weekly chart, it is poised for an up move at least towards 220 to 25. That zone is very much possible in this counter. So I would recommend buying this counter at current levels with a strict stop loss of 207.5 and the targets would be around 221 for now.
Let you go. Thank you so much for taking the time out and giving your view on index and your stock picks as well.